Hello students, how are you? I am sure that all of you will be safe and sound at your home. My dear students, regarding our previous discussion, we have already discussed a lot of topics related with our grammar section as well as our writing section. That's why just after finishing these all the two sections, we have already started our literature. Regarding the discussion of literature, I have already provided you a lot of ideas, facts or information related with literature. Just after finishing the guidelines related with literature, today we have to start our first chapter related with our literature book. So all of you seriously, carefully and minutely observe my today's videos and follow me. The Lost Child. It's the first chapter related with your supplementary reader as moments. It's the creation of Mulk Raj Anand. So my dear students, just before going to start the explanation related with the topic, I would like to provide you a brief idea about the author like Mulk Raj Anand. Mulk Raj Anand was an Indian writer in English, notable for his depiction of the lives of the poorer castes in traditional Indian society. Anand was one of the first India-based writer in English to gain an international readership. Anand was admired for his novels and short stories, which have acquired the status of being classic works of modern Indian English literature, noted for their perceptive insight into the lives of the oppressed, their impoverishment, exploitation, and misfortune. He is also a recipient of the civilian honor of the Padma Vibhushan. Just after providing such a short or brief explanation related with the author, we have to focus about the characters of the chapter that will have to play their vital role in that very story. In this story, there will be two types of characters like direct characters and indirect characters also. First of all, the direct characters like first one, the father in a role of peasant or farmer. Next one like the mother as she has to play a role of housewife. Next one like the young boy. In this story, he will have to play the role of an innocent child, and the last one, that's the stranger or the unknown person. Now few indirect characters like sweet seller, flower seller, snake charmer, balloon seller, sweetmeat seller, etc. Now my dear students, we have to focus the spot, place or scene related with the story. First one here, like public gathering as a fair, rural areas or region as the village of the peasant. Next one here, mustard field, and it's the story related with a very pleasant season like the spring season. Now we have to focus few key points as well as the facts of the story. First one here, the child goes to the fair with his father as well as mother too. Next one now, so many things attracted the small child. After the next one, like they saw their various scenes of the fair. Just after then, the child has been lost in the fair. Now, the child is in very poor condition. Next one now, the unknown person tries to locate the child's parents. Next one and last, like the child is taken to the flower seller twice, balloon seller and sweetmeat seller, etc. Now my dear students, just after providing a lot of information or ideas related with the chapter, every one of you have to keep these all the points in your mind. While we have to provide its summary next day, all of you simply can understand the chapter. Next day, I shall try my best to provide you the summary of the story. Thanks a lot. God bless you and hope to see you again.